Hello, stranger. It's been a minute.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today I have my daughter with me. We're about to go get our nails done. We're about to go get our toes done. It's beautiful outside in the city. I just drove all the way from Baltimore to pick up my camera, my new baby, but we about to just pamper ourselves and then hopefully go get something to eat after. And yeah, I haven't had my nails done since my birthday, so I want to make sure I go do that, you know, just to keep my maintenance up. But that's what we have planned so far, and again, like I said, we might go buy something to eat. But yeah, I just wanted to open up the vlog, and I will see you guys soon.
Then drop them drawers, I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it's dirty, straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got the place that is no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
So you guys, I'm currently at the dentist office, about to get my teeth cleaned and my 6-month checkup. I just got here. It is super cold outside, bummer, but yeah, so make sure y'all do y'all 6-month checkups with getting your teeth cleaned and just taking care of your hygiene. Your hygiene, health is very important. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these teeth cleaned. That's fine. That gives me enough time to take off. Okay, thank you. You have a good day.
Okay, bye-bye.
Y'all, I'm done. They feel so clean. They feel so clean. It is so cold. Oh my god, like yesterday it was 80, the day before it was like 70. Today it's like 50, but it's windy, so it's not giving. So I'm about to go to Starbucks and get me something to drink because I'm on low energy mode and I'm just not feeling it. So we're gonna go to Starbucks, get us a little drink, and I'm definitely gonna go back in the house and change because I have on a dress. I have on a long dress and a jeans jacket, and it's freaking cold. I wanted to look at some apartments today, but I don't think I'm gonna have time because I gotta pick my baby up from school soon. And to be honest, y'all, I just haven't seen anything I like. And I know I told y'all I moved, but I'm moving again. So yeah, but we about to go get some Starbucks. I made it just in time. That meter should not be expired, but we about to head to Starbucks. I'm gonna actually view this apartment. It is 12 o'clock. I have an appointment at 12. I'm crossing my fingers that I like it, and we're gonna go ahead and go in there and see what they're talking about. They have a lot of units available, so that's a good thing because Maryland is shitty when it comes to having, it's pretty much overpopulated and don't shit be available. So we're gonna see what this apartment is giving. Go ahead and put this mask on, and I'm gonna also give you guys a tour too. I don't know if it's self-guided or if she's gonna be taking me. I hope it's self-guided because I really don't feel like talking to anybody. And oh yeah, this was actually really good. I think I'm gonna get it again. And yeah, let's go ahead and see what these apartments are going to look like.
10:30, motivated, then dropping them drawers. I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I stay straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
All right, y'all, so I just came back from viewing the apartments. As you guys seen in the clip, they are nice. They're really nice. I do like them. Spacious. And I also like how it probably doesn't come up on camera, but the entire apartment is a light gray accent color. Not a lot of apartments do that. You come with the crusty outdated white paint, cheap paint, you know what I'm saying? But these actually came with like a tinted gray in the apartment. I'm gonna definitely look at some more because I just don't want to base my decision on just looking at one spot. I've learned my lesson with that. Stop making decisions so quick without looking at other options. So I do want to look at other options. I do want to look at other places in the area.
Then dropping them drawers. I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna be doing a quick curl. I don't know if my face is focused. I'm gonna do a quick little beach wave curl. I'm not putting on any foundation. I moved my parts and that's the farthest I can get the part. But I wanted to hop on here. Because I kind of want to talk about something while I'm curling this hair. I'm using this big barrel curler. Super cute for like big waves, if you want big waves. My manager actually gave me this. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and talk about mental health and what you guys do for mental health. I'm trying to figure out different ways to deal with my mental health in a way where I'm like actually doing things. And what I mean by that is like, I journal a lot. I write my thoughts down, I pray. I even sometimes vent, which I'm trying to learn how to stop doing because sometimes I vent to the wrong people. But I feel like when you're trying to work on your mental health, you need to get in a space that makes you happy, right? So I've noticed that when the weather, and I know we can't control the weather, and I know where I'm at, which is DC, Maryland area, is always cold. You know, during the season, I get real depressed. So being outdoors, that brings me to what I'm doing for my mental health. Being outdoors makes me extremely happy. Although I can be an introvert, meaning like I don't want to go places all the time, being in my own space makes me happy. And what I mean by that is like being in my own space, doing things alone. I'm learning to try to do things alone, because every time something needs to be done or going out, it doesn't also always necessarily mean it has to be done with family, friends, or spouse, because you can enjoy your own company. Now, granted, when I was younger, I never saw myself going out by myself. Like, I'm in my 30s, my early 30s, so it's kind of like, why not go out by yourself? What is there to lose? I pretty much finished getting myself together, did a quick little beat, nothing major, cute, super simple, but we're about to go ahead and get out of here. I'll see you guys at our destination. We're gonna have a good time today, good vibes only, and even if it do rain, at least we got some Starbucks and got out that depressing ass house, right? We made it to our destination. We decided to come to boring Silver Spring because that's what the kids want to do. Come on, Kayla. I don't have a mask either, so you'll be fine.
Oh, so we can go in the store without a mask?
To get in the store. So y'all, I think this is so cute. It's a beach bag. It's the last one. It says sweet like honey. Then they have this one. They have this one. And they have this one. This one looks childish. So we're gonna get this one. This is super cute. Yeah. Okay. More slime. Alright. That's fine. Alright guys, let's go pay for this stuff. We are currently downtown. This way, mamas. KK. Walk fast. It's nice, but at the same time, the sun ain't booming.
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride.
So right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you with you tonight is on a island. It's about time we're making up. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you, so I confess all the truth.